Did you know? Hello, I'm Doug Andriotti. I am the instructor here at the Tech Center for HVAC, Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning. The HVAC program here at the Tech Center is a 2-year program for high school students. The curriculum is designed to allow the students to learn from the basics of plumbing, the basics of electricity, all the way up through installation of the equipment, troubleshooting, and setup. By the end of the 2 years, they will have worked on the most simplest of refrigeration units, home refrigerators, all the way up to advanced commercial equipment. So we do have a 2-hour option where a student will come in for 2 hours, and for the 2 years that they're here. The option is that some students can come here for a 4-hour program and do their academic piece plus an internship. The program is designed around either the student going right into the world of work or into further education. The program is specific to learning the soft skills necessary to keep and gain employment. The 2-year program allows the senior to leave with an Environmental Protection Agency certification. That, if they pass the test, of course, that training involves learning all the different facets of refrigeration, recovery, environmental requirements to handle refrigerants, and then, of course, they have to take the certification exam, which is 100 questions, and then if they pass that successfully, they are now universally certified across the United States of America. Now you know.
Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.